What's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. And as we all know and all have heard, Binance is being sued by the SEC. So, Bitcoin is dropping, shitcoins are dropping, everything is dropping. But, we didn't get a crazy sell off, but we got a nice little dump, about $1,000 dump. We're going to jump into the Bitcoin price. We're going to jump into Twitter, and we're going to jump into a couple other things that I did see today as well that I wanted to go over. Hope you guys had a good weekend. Happy Monday. Make sure you head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Make sure you check out the sunexchange.com. Make sure you check out FOMO21.com. All that good stuff will be down in the description below. And with that being said, let's jump into Twitter first. We're going to check out CoinGlass, and then we'll check out the Bitcoin price. Yes. So first things first, let's jump into Twitter. I got 10K followers. Shout out to all my followers. Let's see. We're going to jump into the tweets, right? I had a bunch of tweets that I wanted to go over real quick. First thing I want to go over here is, why are people selling their Bitcoin? Why are people selling their Bitcoin, guys? Do you think they don't understand it, or do you think they're scared? I think both. Some people don't understand it and some people are scared. But, based on the votes here, we have 164 votes. It shows 66% of people on my timeline think that they don't understand Bitcoin, which I agree. I don't think they understand it, because if they did, they wouldn't sell it. Another great tweet here is, in case you haven't heard as well, excuse me, that Apple has launched the new VR headset. So this is just something showing pretty much the cost of how many Bitcoins you could get for that price, right? For that particular device. And I think we'll be able to say that as well with the new VR. It's $3,500 for the VR. So, make sure you just stack some Bitcoin, guys. With that being said, let's continue. Sad truth. Isn't it ironic that the TVs were bigger and we were skinnier, and now the TVs are skinnier and now most people are bigger? I think that's very ironic. I thought this was funny as well. I find that very funny. Let's see here. That's my girl. That's my wife. That's the move, of course. The righteous person faces many troubles, but the Lord comes to rescue each time. Amen, amen, amen. As we always say, you should have bought more Bitcoin. I mean, there's going to be millions of people that buy this and that don't own any Bitcoin. So, nothing we can do except for, do better than them. That's funny. That's a funny tweet. Let's see. Most people prefer, on my timeline, and my followers prefer Bitcoin over the Apple VR. But again, like I just said, most people that we know, millions of people will be buying this product. So, it is what it is. I read a poll yesterday, and Max Kaiser retweeted. And basically, also in the Bible, it says that, Rome, we're talking about Rome and the fall of Rome, the Roman Empire as well. And I think that they are talking about as well, even though it's written in the past, it's also talking about the future. And I think that we are Rome. And I asked, will America turn to Bitcoin? Because if not, we are going to become Rome. And America is Rome. Over 50% of the people that voted, 1,400 people voted, think that we are Rome. America has hope, only 28%, and 22% of people wanted just to see the results. We'll see how this plays out. Fiat is broken and you can't fix it. Bitcoin works and you can't break it. Let's go. Bitcoin is not crypto, so you don't need to be selling your Bitcoin because of what's going on with the SEC and Binance. Let's see here. Okay, we're gonna, instead of jumping into CoinGlass, we'll just do this quick update. I posted this at 2 o'clock. Right now it is 5:30, so it's been a couple hours since I posted this. But in the last 24 hours, based on this time frame, at this time of this tweet, it was 111 million longs liquidated in Bitcoin. This is why I tell you guys, if you're going to trade, be careful, because you will get liquidated. And $111 million in Bitcoin trades have been liquidated. SEC is suing an exchange. The new China bans Bitcoin. As I was just saying, it doesn't affect Bitcoin at all. It only affects, the casino, the shitcoin casino, and the shitcoin. So make sure you understand that. Wicked always posts some pretty dope stuff. Shout out to Wicked. How many sats you can buy with $1, which is fire, super dope. Oh, shout out to Tether. They're also investing in volcano energy in El Salvador. Shout out to Max Kaiser as well. Choose what's good for your soul, not your ego. Absolutely. Shout out to Max again. So El Salvador plans a 241 megawatt renewable plant for Bitcoin mining. That's a lot of hash power, and that's a lot of Bitcoin that's going to be created in El Salvador. Shout out to them. Let's see, I had the price alerts go off, as I always tell you guys. And, last thing I'll go over is this quote here, right? Small minds focus on how much money is this going to cost me. Entrepreneurs focus on how much money I'm going to make from this. I've seen so many people get upset about a $1,100 investment that would put their credit in position to get $100,000 in funding. But, some people don't see the value. Some people will fix their credit. Some people won't. Some people have good credit and still use it and leverage it to their advantage, right? So, it is what it is. With that being said, now we're going to jump into the Bitcoin price. Just wanted to go over those tweets. Make sure you follow me on Twitter as well, and IG. So Pepe, I called the top of Pepe. Let's see if I can go to the daily, see if this is on this chart. Is it on this chart? No, it's not. I got to find that Pepe tweet, guys. I told everybody. Let's see if I can find it. It's not on Gate. Where is it at? Let's try one more. I don't know where it's at, but I tweeted the very top of Pepe, and, nobody wanted to listen. Now Pepe is all-time lows. So, it is what it is. I've been saying don't buy Pepe. It is a money grab, but, people don't listen. So let people do what they do. We're on the daily chart now for Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and turn this around. On the daily, our support is here at 25.8. We're at 25.5. Let's see if we, wick up, get some buyers here. Like I said, our moving average is here at 25.2. So it looks like we came down to hit a lot of the alerts that I had, which is what I was tweeting earlier. And I didn't get to, send out a tweet for all the alerts, but I got to send out a tweet for the alerts that did come through, or just for one at the major level at 25.8, which is the tweet that you guys saw. So, we came down, and now let's jump to the 4-hour chart. Actually, let's go back. Let's look at Market Cipher. We got the red dot. A few days ago in my in my video, I said, red dot on the daily not looking good. And what happened? We came down. Looks like we got a green dot on Sunday. And then but also look at this, guys. Money flow is deep in the pink or deep in the red usually, but it's actually pink now. I changed the colors. So, that means money is leaving the asset. So I did also draw this a while ago and said that we would come up, and we did. And we came right back down. So now we have a red dot. Money flow is red or pink in this situation. We got momentum down. We got VWAP down. We got RSI and stochastic RSI headed down. So on the daily, not looking too good. Now we're on the 4 hour. We are oversold, and we have money flow starting to turn red on the money flow for the 4 hours. So we were doing pretty good. We had some money flow coming in for Bitcoin over the last few days, and then it's looking like a bounce could be coming in because of how this is showing. So I'm expecting a rally, especially after all those longs were liquidated. It makes sense now that we would pump. But, you know, since money flow is coming down in long term on that daily, we are red coming down. Not looking too good. But, you know, VWAP here is pointing up. We got RSI, stochastic RSI turning up. Let's look at the daily, 4 hour, for the candle. We broke down past this support, 25.6, and then I had an alert at 25.8. Boom, we came all the way down, 25.5. And now we're right back down here. Let's see if we can find another support. Let's look left. Looking left, I see support at 25,000, which is 25.2 to 25,000. And then we also have a nice volume node here as well. If we lose these levels here, 24 to 23,000, 24,000. So 25, 24, we lose 24, we come down to 23.5. I'll put another alert there. If we lose these levels, we will come down. And then again, we're looking at the long term. It looks like we are coming down. So let's look at the 1 hour. Looks like we're bear flagging, but we do got a green dot here, oversold. Let's trim the daily. Let's move that out the way. We got money flow in the red or pink in this situation. Then we got money flow down, but we have momentum wave pointing up. We also have RSI, stochastic RSI, both pointing down, VWAP pointing up on the hourly time frame. All right, let's see, zoom in. This could be a bear flag. So let's see where this could go to. $24.3. All right, so if we fall out of this, it's not good, but we could also do something like this, boom, and then come down, or just come up, consolidate, and then come up. So we'll see how this goes. All right, and again, we broke that support here, and then we came all the way down 26.9. Came down about $1,000 bucks. All right, and then the last one we'll check is a 30-minute chart. Underneath the moving average, broke support. 27.2 daily, weekly, and monthly closes all up here, and we broke all the way down. We have our resistance here at that 27.4. And then we came all the way down. All right, so we'll see how this plays out. That is the Bitcoin price update, guys. I'll make another video tomorrow, of course. And with that being said, make sure you stack away. Head over to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Make sure you guys are DCAing, make sure you guys check out the sunexchange.com and all the other beautiful links down below, and all the beautiful opportunities for you to stack more Bitcoin. With that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. Peace. See you guys tomorrow. Word.